In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the divisibility rule for 6. And since 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 and 3 have no common factors whatsoever, besides 1, of course, the divisibility rule for 6 works like this. If the number passes the divisibility test for 2 and also 3, then it would be divisible by 6. So that's the idea. And I've repeated the rules for 2 and 3 here. So for 2, remember, if the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, any of the even digits, then it's divisible by 2. For 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it's divisible by 3. So examples are the following numbers divisible by 6. We're going to take a look at 2 examples here and 2 on the next page. So for 96, the last digit is a 6, and 6 is one of those even numbers. So that means that 96 is divisible by 2. Now let's check it for 3. So we add 9 and 6 to it's 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. So that means that 96 is also divisible by 3. And since 96 is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means 96 is divisible by 6. So we check it for 2 and 3. If it's divisible by both, then it's divisible by 6. So let's do 2308 now. The last digit's 8, and certainly 8 is an even number, so 2308 is divisible by 2. So 2308, so we add the 2, 3, and the 8. Notice I don't bother with a 0 because that doesn't change the sum whatsoever. 2 and 3 is 5, and 8 more makes 13. Now, 13 is not divisible by 3. So that means that 2308 is not divisible by 3. And since 2308 is not divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 2, but not by 3, then 2308 is not divisible by 6. So it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3 to be divisible by 6. So let's take a look at 2 more examples. In C here we have the number 963. Now the last digit is a 3. It's not 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So 963 is not divisible by 2. Now if you happen to have checked for the 3 divisible by 3 first, adding 9, 6, and 3, 9 and 6 is 15, and 3 more makes 18. So it is divisible by 3, because the 18 is divisible by 3, but it's not divisible by both 2 and 3, so 963 is not divisible by 6. Last one here, 1,843,002. The last digit is a 2, so it's certainly even, so it would be divisible by 2. So we add for the 3 test, 1, 8, 4, 3, and 2. So 1 and 8 is 9, and 4 more makes 13, and 3 more makes 16, and 2 more makes 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, so 1,843,002 is also divisible by 3. So since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is also divisible by 6. So you check for divisibility by 2 and 3. If it's divisible by both 2 and 3, it's going to be divisible by 6. And that's the end of the tutorial.